So, you wanted the ZR1, but couldn't get your hands on one? Don't sweat it, because Verus Engineering just pulled a straight-up miracle for your regular old C8 Stingray and turned it into an absolute monster. This isn't just an Aero kit, folks. This is Aero warfare, built by the same mad geniuses who helped Ken Block's wild Hoonipig tear up the tarmac. Welcome to the Ventus Package, and it doesn't play around. Let's talk about that Stage 3 setup, baby. It's got a swan-neck rear wing so tall it might need FAA clearance. We're talking downforce from the gods. Wind tunnel? Nah. This thing was born in a hurricane. You want grip? The carbon fiber rear diffuser sucks that C8 to the ground like it owes it money. Add the ducktail spoiler and the V1X wing, and suddenly your Vet starts looking less like a sports car and more like a Le Mans refugee. And up front? Dual canards and a splitter so sharp it could slice through your neighbor's HOA complaints. It's not just for show. It's all track-tested, balance-tuned, and ready to slap physics in the face. Even the side splitters are made of polyweave. You know, that race-grade material that laughs at stress and shrugs off heat like a pro. Now here's the beauty. It's modular. You don't have to go full fast and furious on day one. Start with Stage 1. Dip your toes in the downforce pool. Or go full savage with Stage 3 and tell the world, this ain't your average Stingray. Prices? Well, let's just say, performance doesn't come cheap. $2,000 for the splitter, $5,995 for that god-tier rear wing. But trust me, once you drop this kit on your car, there's no going back. You'll be outlapping Lambos and turning more heads than a fireworks truck on fire. So if you're stuck with a basic C8 and craving that ZR1 attitude, Verus Engineering just gave you the cheat code. The only question now is, are you bold enough to bolt it on?